let's do some fidget trading. So my mochis. Got my 2 little mochis. Okay, so we're starting in 3, 2, 1. Trading mochis. Trading mochis, going once, going twice, going 3 times, going 4 times, 5, probably, maybe, or not 6. Aren't you pick me now? Well, okay. What's your offer? I'll offer this ring pop, this, whatever it's called, coloring book, this lotion, these earmuffs, this water bottle if you're thirsty. By the way, I didn't drink out of it. And some Hatchimals Band-Aids. Sorry, I'm gonna have to decline. None of those things are fidgets, but I would accept the ring pop. And also the earmuffs. Okay. Oh wait, the earmuffs. Oh gosh. Okay. Here you go. Okay, you got yourself a deal. I don't really like these earmuffs anymore. They don't look good on me. I'm gonna try and trade them. Trading earmuffs, going once, going twice, maybe 3 times, maybe 4. I want to offer for the earmuffs. Okay, what's your offer? This chicken. Sorry, that's a common. Ugh, you're so rude. Ugh, you're so rude. You can just go home and cry. Hey, I just got back from church. Don't try to make me in a bad mood. I'm sorry, but I'm declining this trade. Ugh. Whatever. Someone just sent me another trade request. Okay. I'll see what they offer for these earmuffs. Okay, let's see what they add. They've added a LOL doll body. What? Lotion? What are people giving me lotion? A hanger? Really? A water bottle? Ooh, and 2 packs of gummy bears. So, I don't like this trade just because of the gummy bears. So, I'll add this. And yeah. So, done trade. Okay, so I'm going to accept this trade. Okay, it's loading. Okay, finished. Yay! So over. There's now I'm only gonna keep the gummy bears. She also gave me a free marker, so I'm gonna try and trade the rest of the stuff. Trading water bottle, going once, going twice. Me. Okay, what do you want? Okay, what are you offering? And you can make it as legendary or common as you want. I don't even have to add anything. Nope, you don't. Okay, accept trade. Okay. Loading. And the trade was successful. Have a nice day. Thanks, you too. Okay. Trading lotion, going once, going twice. Me. Okay, what's your offer? Okay, I'll offer these 2 markers. Okay, that's a deal. Okay, I accepted a trade. Trades. The trade is successful. Okay, here you go. Make a little mini markers. Just thank you. And I have to put some of this on my elbows. They're very ashy. Trading LOL body going once, going twice, going 3 times. Okay, what's your offer? This widow chickie. Are you sure? Do you love that thing anymore? No, you don't like it. Okay, here you go. Trade won't allow you to give stuff before accepted. Please accept the trade before giving you something. System. Please accept the trade before giving a person something that you have to give them. Okay, so let's trade now. Yay! Trade working. The trade was successful. I'm getting so much better things. Okay, now let's see what people trade for this hanger. Trading hanger, going once, going twice. OMG, me, please. Okay, what's your offer? This paper. Please accept. Crossing printers, please accept. Okay, here you go. Here's the deal. Here are the things I got out of trading. Comment below, what would you want to, out of all these fidget toys that are not even fidgets, which ones would you want to have? The markers, the chickie, the gummy bears, the ring pop, or the paper? Comment below. And a quick scamming bonus scene. New scam and fidget trading. First, either find a little kid or a noob. Then get the most broken babyish thing you've ever had in your house. Start to trade it. That little baby gets your attention or noob. Then you gotta trick them into thinking that's legendary. And then they start to give you a lot of stuff and overpay. Then you don't force them, like they're gonna accept the trade. You accept it. And then of course at the end, always say, haha, get scammed. But if you're nicer, you can just say, sorry, but you got scammed. Or you don't have to say anything if you don't want to be rude. And that, my friend, is how you scam someone.